CHINSA ni IKOMI wanoche wano margoba mwancho murigerenya gukwani anda wansi ya sobereta se margoba yabono ngakene go kwaliganya SMS mungana muyenya ro kumanyigati yari abariki baita bagendere to sangirire nako yarigia se orgongoro Gusii kana boigo na isiko yorgongo ro Gusii nyirabono ni gansemeli ya kroga gendere to koleta libera litindi ko bwatekana na okuruko ro wecho go sensemi go sebango engana gendere to koleta libera litino na boni ga serikali ya county ya Kisii yabakego toma bono abwata na boigo n'abanyanyimbo sensemejo ekerekeria nsemo ya keroke yere bono ase county ya Nyamira baonchoria kuransemejo baroka ne kwemurungania asogote abuna ensemo ya Kisii sensemo ya keroke ase county ya Kisii ni gobono bolendi bubekiro robo otindi egento agote andake kya ire abaonchoria obwoba obara sensemejo ya keroka nona bunyore boigo litukirego boigo bonchoria kurwa sensemo ya keroke yere miye county ya Kisii na boni go batebete buna ani gobono abanyanyimbo bali bakanjo kurwa ase county ya Nyamira basoete wika sensemo ya Kisii county osangirira bango gento byo kyarete libera mono golibera ndigende tekonekiwa nga sensemelia ya keroka ngati yari ya umuriketo Paul Kapokara agendrete kubwatia sensemejo ya karkasa munanda mange tigankomanya senchira yo mwenye CHINSA komishona margoba stari kibiro mutinyo gatatu mwaka bwechiri hubere na merongebere nene na manga agendrete okolekana na manga boigo abere kago okolekana tubwati gwetera sensemeli mtandao sensemeli ya Facebook na bogotonyara buna Ndizi TV News Digital na boga sensemeli ya YouTube na bogotonyara buna Ndizi TV News to basakwe bagotubwatia se website yetu na botambe www.ndizitv.net onyare konyora onsia yu asenchira yobwekere Lydia Muse igakone kibuna konyora gwetera sumu na bwimanyiriria karikari Abigael Nyanchama alikurwa CHINSA mechi studio kone kichibi chamu neryogi ngo kinyorora senchira ebwene toskon kwera nanda sege kegeke kerebosio na unachia koti umunchu mulikira bono kungusana na niko kogendeta kane kiwa sensemelia ya keroka kubwatikana nogo taigwa na maigaje kigambiro kunyara gwikirania nsemo ya keroka nene asemera ngo kenda semia koba ase county ya Nyamira niko bono abonchuri bagendeta ro kungusana na sensemeyo egintu kerra banyanyimbo kurwa serikali ya county ya Kisii gwikira sa nsemeyo unenchire mu yukunyara gutingyo bolendi gati ya bonchuriria okurugo kwebango ngati yari agenda tukoleto mu cyando monene ekerokeria gotebekana buna gati ya bali bagucoga osibakuru bango ni gobono bakopeterwa gwakane bango CHINSA mu Chonsi Nyamira na Kisii engana yarete libera litinde na boni go chinga kiechyo ensemo ya keroke yuremeye county ya Kisii mu governor we county ya Kisii abetega kubwato kama burgo cya sensemeyo egento kireta bonchore kurwa sensemende kwe murunganya higoro yengane yuna kogikeria asoko nyara kubatana na nonye baraso mu cyoyomo ime yensemo ya keroko muri kituna ngende kubwati ngane yo kolende tigato igunara ya kolekana sensemeya ya keroka.
Lakini yale maneno mimi naona haiko hapa inanishangaa sana. Kila wakati ni kelele. Nyamira inaingia hapa na mapimbo. Kisii inaingia hapa na mapimbo. Na kitaka kuuza vitu mimi hawana kuuza. Mama sote wanatoka tunakimbia. Kuna mama wengine hakuna wanaume kama mimi.
And we want to urge both sides of the county governments, that is the revenue collection of Nyamira County and Nyamira South, just to restrict themselves to the ruling of the court, and if there is any aggrieved party, instead of causing fracas, let they have avenues where they can channel their
ni go chinga kicho mono gari we bunge Moses Masika we tangula berega ko ko murebe kyama kyodi emrera murodinga asogo chikuru andre kirgo kyobo nyakirobo anabona somo we CHINSA go se eyu obuono bochi okolekana bwango iga kolengana na we tangula go kona cross county ya Bungoma ni gate beruna raira go ikirana senseme yotalie enchera serikali ya Kenya kwanza erigeti konyara ko mwaka isiko kurwa sensemo ya siasa kolende ni gabwato manyi wisa inasoko nyara ko ile kirgo kyoborai na gotenera baraibonsi ase CHINSA chi Africa eyibone koleta omo CHINSA chi Africa chonse nego chinga gechege tangura tabirubuna omanyi bwa eraira nigo barakonye gusukia CHINSA chi Africa busio ko bwatekana aisoko gwekerwe kyobuna omunyakirobo sensemeyo ya AU.
Dr. William Ruto amesema tumepeleka Mheshimiwa Raila kama candidate wetu. Ile sasa zote tutafanya. Ile zote tutafanya. Mtu kama Papa wa Roma hapo, nikienda to every African country, the president ni mtu tunajuana, speaker ni mtu tunajuana, vice president ni mtu tunajuana, zote we are going to put on our jogging shoes to make sure we rotate around Africa to campaign for Raila Amolo Odinga to be the next chairman of the African Union. And let's make it very clear, we are not taking Raila to be the African Union chair because we want to exit him from Kenya. We are taking him because he's capable of being the chairman of the African Union. Na yeye mwenyewe amesema amefurahi, anapenda kwenda kufanya hiyo kazi na tutamsaidia aende kufanya hiyo kazi.
Na umwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Mboki Machoguni gobonate birobune county ya Nairobi ne bwente ko bikoro kibe kisina ne mono kunyarago kini ya omubaro w'ekisukuru ase county yugo kwana kurwase ensemeri ya Kasarani ni gobono Machogwa bereka gote yabuna ni geserikali ya somwako eta yabete ko bwatoka kibesa kisine ane mona soko kini birango by'ekisukuru kinga kyo mu bunge bw'ensemo ya Kasarani ne gate birobune ensemeri ya Kasarani ge waisukuru cya serikali emeronge tuchoka 15 igotire cyoboroso nabo 15 ni igotiro skuru cha sekondari nigo chinga kichibate birubune kire skuru ne chikonyara chibesa chise ina soko nyara gukinia magacho na we komento bara buji skuru imeye county ya Nairobi ane mona sensemejo ya Kasarani ngana babiri bagote yabuna ne chikonyara kubwato kachibesa chiwango iga maiga yoko be kensemo e billion yemo echigo chikobwa gochia skuru imeye county ya Nairobi.
Kasarani has 30 public schools, Bwana CS. 30. 15 primary, 15 secondary. You would think if we have only 30 schools, those schools must look very developed and very amazing. Bwana CS, you'll be shocked when you walk into our schools because we have a very, very long way to go.
Actually, Nairobi, 29%, only 29% are the ones that we can be able to accommodate in our public, primary and secondary schools, while 69% of others are in private schools because they cannot be able to get space in our public schools. And for that reason, this particular financial year, 2023-2024, we were given 1 billion, which we have given 58 million per constituency in our 17 constituencies in Nairobi, in order for you young ones to be able to find space in our primary and secondary schools.
Na hekira wiga gendrete ni gomusacha omukuru CHINSA mukiriti celebrate gotoka imeye county ya Bomet aberega kubaita abantu banogwika gukwa banabo batatoni go barabana baye ekiraboni gataramanyikana ninge kyagiro nyara kubaita nabo igo omukuru nyomba osomukuru gasyo nyomba nerno yomo asori babere bagoitwa asensemejo omusacha ekiraboni gataramanyikana nkyabo libonsi yabwekerekeri abanyanyimbo kuru asensemo ya celebrate egetsene kya celebrate bekirana asenka yayi na kumubeka byaro omusacha yobutukeme nigo bwachakiwe mayiga yigakora igyo kubaita abantu bane batatu abo bare abana baye.
Upon receipt of the information, police officers moved swiftly to the scene and necessary action taken. The suspect, upon committing the heinous act, fled the scene, and the motive of the assailant could not immediately be established. The Sub-County Criminal Investigation Officer, Mr. Omwenga, is hotly pursuing crucial leads and will ensure the suspect will be brought to book.
Na gotigana y'umunchu muri giribono nigo nande tokore na igasarongoro gusitura muri kirake nanda ya gendretse gokolekana nigo bono anene mono abamenyi kuruwase wodi Nyansionge gotoka se bunge ya Burabu county ya Nyamira barokane kwe murungania asege kolegi ya serikali getarango ya soko bachara commissioner sekembe keriki hibise kolengana amenyi kurenseme nigo bate evidence ya Nyansionge ya rokane gotigana maiga kubwatikana nuko burumu MCA asabaga ne kembe hibise ko nyara gochorwa subwango na commissioner gochorwa elibaka ko chikura na gokorobo choria senseme yuko gochoro omu MCA niko batebereka tie binte binge hase county ya Nyamira mbiri go ikasenseme yo kubatikana na babwati omu MCA asabono baganiri bakechukura na komochoro omu MCA nyarwikirania magendero ase wodi yo ya Nyansiongo.
Nyansiongo amaendelea ni maega asinyenjo umurai nduranyora murai uyo aturai Nyansiongo wodi twagete chikura last time wakachikura buya tukakura twagachikura tugakora alafu tukamtea makosa ratuka leta abantu banyansiongo ward mocho wa IPC ya choru ya koriru tumanye gutenena twagachikura tusharo murayori twanchete igo entura tebu nabasaye banyansiongo ward nabantu bose banyansiongo ward twerande maega simye chikodi simye cyakira tambe sana Kajikona tamu mete minute na turen le maiga sije mantra ibintu biasa rikire nyasho ko word igoro tene ne buna ba buna youth sina tutene niga mega ito tutene tu akechikura wango ama endelea sije miaka ya mia sana
astrondi tu akachikura kurunyasongo magosa kajaga toka alinyasongo word kuruabu ekabanga ngoro turenga chikura ukirabona ndora gendo gion sike ndrete so tuachora para ya bange nabono arinyasi ari tawni ido akidauri ndobu atichono onya asaba ngina baito bechiro bakwande etogo saba IBC ari wanje chorwira ne bwango egere to irana to akachikura to gendre mna chigodi jine chigendrete
to Bana Senator, kindly want to request you in a special way IPC at
na guchia konya kuru mwancho muligereni gobono kuburi gukora cha serikali kone kumunangusira barebye gwa achiskuru aniga gocha maegalero ko bali tukulyo mwelio anemono asamangana drama festivals ayibona bereka okolekana sorgongo rwa Nyanza achijabire chigokolekana osego sori yabireke gokolekanira asiskuru ya Kenya bururu iyo gotoka ime ye county ya Kisii balengana bwatani akoruwa senseme chigosori na boy gobono ase chigosori chikwegya nigobate berubuna abana na boy go aborokyo matoka gwali bagali yabene kunyara koro kiebego byabo asote buna biko bakonya hasa matuko alibusio.
We started the activity on Thursday, 29th. Today is our final day, the third day, and the activity has been so good. It has really been entertaining. This is a very, very good opportunity for our youths to display their skills, and it is an opportunity because out of this, a number of the youths will be able to earn their living because a number of them will be able to act. They will be able to develop their own content, and this will be a source of income and employment to them. As TVET institutions, the biggest challenge is we don't have any funding from the government specifically for sports and recreational activities like the drama. And we are looking forward to the government in the future, at least bringing some financial support.
What I want to say is that parents should encourage their sons to do what I call dual system in their training. They take both TVET and talent areas, because I may be an engineer, I may be a good person in masonry, good in social work. But if I add my talent of music, I add my talent of drama, my talent in these areas, I can go far. And you have seen today in journalism, for example, those journalists who have an extra talent in the area of drama and comedy, they go far compared to those who are only basically journalists, or those who are serving, for example, in companies like Post Office, KPA, who have sports. They go far. We have even our athletes today, like Omanyala, is both a policeman and both are an athlete. So it is a double advantage. So we encourage the parents not to fight with their children when they have some talents in areas, but to encourage them that they both pursue their talents and pursue their careers.
Funzi kutoka vio vyote hivi tunafurahia kwa sababu hiyo inaonyesha kwamba nyumbani huku lazima watu wamefanya biashara kidogo. Kadhalika hii ni kueneza tamaduni zetu na vile watu walivyoishi kitambo na vile watu wanavyoishi, kwa sababu hili ni funzo kuwa michezo ya sanaa hii inaongezea faida katika mtoto ule ambaye anaigiza. Kadhalika inatufunza maigizi kutokana na yale ambayo yanatendeka katika jamii. Hii michezo ni kioo cha maisha na ni kioo cha jamii, na hapa tunasoma mengi. Sio hiyo tu, watoto kupitia mambo kama haya ujifunza, na huku nje huunda hata filamu ambazo zinawalisha the way siku hizi hatuna kazi mingi pale, lakini mtoto ambaye anashikilia hii mambo huenda anafaidika. The things kama YouTube, hii vitu imekuja TikTok na kadhalika, vinasaidia sana.
Wanchumuri kubona yungati yalia agendete kwaligani kwa korwa sense mende studio ke koragense mubono no chikuye nyora asinchira yobo ikiranu na asinchira yobo mena Frida Kurbo karagendete ko yaligania chiko kumanyia na ralia ya agendete ko kolikana mbyemono asoba chara ko tengara Ndizi TV hobo nsunu bo mugusiri to waterana ko ne kichibi chamu ndiki chawe kira asinchira yobo ikiranu igakor ko Abigael Nyanchama gendera ko tubwati buna butambe go tiranseme yetu mitandao semeli ya Facebook na bogotera buna Ndizi TV News Digital na bagensemeli ya YouTube na bogotera buna Ndizi TV News website yetu buna butambe www.ndizitv.net onyara konyara yomo nenda mange tumiraninga kina ndasema samangana mu yejuma inense ya mona isato chiapo tuko narago sangamo na yetu arubuliro byaritira n'inchinkuru ko VINCENT ONYANCHA.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Wima Electricals and Electronics ni wauzaji wa bidhaa za kuunganisha stima na pia bidhaa za elektroniki zinazotumia stima kama vile televisheni, hoovers, decoders, birika